In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert, attach, and link files directly in Google Sheets cells using a tool called FileDrop. This can be incredibly useful if you're collaborating with a team, managing documentation, or simply want all your files organized within your spreadsheets. I'll walk you through the process step by step, making sure you feel confident using this feature for your own projects. Let's start by opening your Google Sheet where you'd like to attach or link files. Once you have your sheet open, you'll want to make sure you have the FileDrop add-on installed. If you don't have it yet, you can find it by going to Extensions in the menu bar, then selecting Add-ons and choosing Get Add-ons. In the search bar, type FileDrop, and once it appears in the results, click on it to install. Follow the prompts to give FileDrop permission to access your Google account. Once the installation is finished, you're ready to start working with files inside your spreadsheet. With the add-on installed, click on Extensions again and hover over FileDrop. Select Open FileDrop sidebar. This will bring up the FileDrop panel on the side of your Google Sheets window. It's designed to be intuitive, making it easier to manage your file uploads and links without disrupting your view of the sheet itself. Now, to insert or attach a file to a specific cell, first click on that cell so it's selected. Go to the FileDrop sidebar and look for the Upload or Attach File option. Click on this to open your computer's File Explorer. Find the file you want to attach, whether it's a PDF, a photo, a document, or even a spreadsheet, and select it. The upload will start, and once it's finished, FileDrop will generate a file link or a clickable icon right inside the cell you selected. This makes it clear at a glance which cell contains an attachment, and you or your collaborators can open the file anytime just by clicking that link or icon. If you'd rather link to a file that's already stored online, you can copy the file's link, such as from Google Drive or Dropbox, and, with your desired cell selected, paste it directly into the FileDrop link field in the sidebar. FileDrop will convert this link into a clickable reference within your spreadsheet, ensuring you and your team have quick access to important files. The FileDrop sidebar also allows you to manage your attached files. You can remove an attachment by selecting the cell, finding the corresponding file in the FileDrop panel, and choosing the Remove or Delete option. This ensures your sheet stays up to date and only includes the files you actually need. Remember, using FileDrop not only keeps your Google Sheet organized, but it also streamlines sharing and teamwork, so everyone involved can find the necessary files without digging through emails or folders. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to insert, attach, and link files in Google Sheet cells using FileDrop. This should help keep your workflow more efficient and your information centralized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.